Estoppel by Laches is a powerful legal defense that can completely bar a lawsuit even when it appears to be filed on time. This equitable doctrine prevents plaintiffs from pursuing claims after unreasonable delays that disadvantage defendants. Imagine someone waits years to file a lawsuit about a dispute they've known about all along. During that time, witnesses move away, memories fade, and evidence disappears. Is it fair to allow such a delayed claim? This is precisely the situation Estoppel by Laches addresses. At its core, Estoppel by Laches is an equitable defense that prevents claims after unreasonable delays that prejudice the defendant. It's important to note that this doctrine only applies to equitable relief, not claims seeking monetary damages. When a defendant invokes Laches, they're essentially arguing that the plaintiff's claim should be barred because they waited too long to assert their rights. To successfully use the doctrine of Laches as a defense, two key elements must be proven. First, there must be an unreasonable delay in bringing the claim. Second, this delay must have caused prejudice or harm to the defendant. Courts carefully examine both the length of the delay and any actions that occurred during that period to determine if either party was negatively affected. Unlike the statute of limitations, which provides a fixed time frame for filing claims, Laches is more flexible and context-dependent. A statute of limitations sets a specific deadline, for example, 6 years to file a particular type of claim. Once that period expires, the claim is automatically barred regardless of circumstances. Laches, however, focuses on why a claim was delayed and whether that delay was reasonable under the circumstances. Courts evaluate several factors when determining if a delay is unreasonable. They consider how long the plaintiff knew about the claim before filing, the reasons behind the delay, and the nature of the claim itself. Even if a claim is filed within the statutory deadline, it may still be barred by Laches if the delay caused significant harm to the defendant. The doctrine of Laches was created to address situations where even small delays can negatively impact a defendant's ability to mount a fair defense. During a delay, witnesses may become unavailable, evidence might be lost, and memories naturally fade. By requiring claims to be filed within a reasonable time, Laches helps ensure fairness in the legal process. For a defendant to successfully use Laches as a defense, they must demonstrate specific ways the delay harmed them. This might include showing that the delay increased potential damages, made critical witnesses unavailable, or caused the loss of important evidence. The burden is on the defendant to prove both the unreasonable delay and the resulting prejudice. Laches appears in various civil litigation contexts, including property disputes, contract enforcement, and intellectual property claims. While primarily a state-level doctrine, it has federal relevance as well. The Supreme Court case SCA Hygiene Products Aktiebolag v. First Quality Baby Products significantly limited the use of Laches in federal intellectual property cases, particularly for patent infringement claims filed within the statute of limitations. Despite its broad application, Laches has important limitations. It generally cannot override explicitly defined statutory limitation periods. Courts are often reluctant to apply Laches against government entities. If a plaintiff continues to suffer ongoing harm due to a defendant's actions, courts may allow the claim despite delays. Additionally, if a plaintiff made good faith efforts to resolve the issue outside court, judges may be more lenient. Understanding Estoppel by Laches is essential for both plaintiffs and defendants in civil litigation. For plaintiffs, it emphasizes the importance of timely action when aware of potential claims. For defendants, it provides a potential defense when facing claims after significant delays. This doctrine ultimately serves to promote fairness by ensuring that legal disputes are resolved while evidence is still fresh and available.